Meaning of hair shirt.
Hair shirt.
Hair shirt.
Hair shirt.
Hair shirt. The term hair shirt refers to a garment made of coarse animal hair or sackcloth, worn next to the skin for religious penance or self-mortification. The practice dates back to ancient times and has been associated with various religions including Christianity. Wearing a hair shirt was seen as a form of voluntary suffering to atone for sins or to purify the soul. The term is now used figuratively to refer to any kind of self-imposed suffering or discomfort. It suggests a willingness to endure hardship in pursuit of a higher goal or principle.